turned over to 43 on my odometer. Washboard easy here. Trying to find a good trail. Going to sleep. Gotta fix my camera. I did not mean to do that. You got right over that rock. Very silty here. It's slippery, but it's nice not to have a washboard.
That was very fun and different, wasn't it?
Get a little closer to me so I could take a snapshot. There. That's without the.
You guys get it?
Yeah, sure did.
Good. I didn't want to.
No, we appreciate it. Thank you. We tried to hurry.
No worries.
Stop it here for water.
Oh yeah.
Built by Gilberto Luna, and he lived here until 1947, and he died at 108. And this is called a jackal, and sometimes a wattle and a daub. And so this one is Luna's jackal.
So he raised 10 kids in here.
It didn't say 10 over there this time. I thought it had said that. Maybe we read it somewhere else. But it was a large family, it said.
So here we are in the building. And there was a dramatic temperature drop as we came in here. Would you say it's about like 5 degrees?
Maybe. You know, it's not that hot outside, but comparatively, if it had been hotter, we'd probably feel it more. I mean, these rock walls is what's helping to keep it cool, and it's still go down in the dirt.
We're about almost halfway. This is really the only way from our campground, which is Cottonwood Campground, to get to Terlingua. The other mountain roads are way too tall, so we don't even know if we're going to make it. Try to gather speed. What makes the washboard. Ah, damn it. I can't avoid those big rocks. All right, we made it to the end. Yay.
The last half was fine.
Yeah, it was. It was very good. I think it's camping sites here, that's why.
Yeah.
So that's our campground right there. And this road we came in on would be impassable. Definitely with the Ruckus, but I'm not sure the monkey. The monkey may make it. So what we did instead was we came up here to the Santa Elena overlook, and we took the old Maverick road all the way up to we are here, where it says you are here. So that right there was about, what did I say, Sandra, 11 miles? I think 11 miles. So that's 11 miles. We're going from here to Terlingua, which is much shorter.